Oh, hello there. I didn't see you come in. My name is Mila, and you're watching How to with Malaysians.
I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Welcome back, guys. This is Mila, and if you're coming to my channel for the first time, I am a vlogger, and I like to do DIYs which can save you money on high-end looks. So if this is something that you're interested in doing, then you've come to the right place. It's about a couple of days before the new year and Christmas is over. Thank God. I hope that every one of you were able to get what you wanted this Christmas year. I know it's been financially difficult for a lot of people, so just having family around or being surrounded by your loved one was possibly the best gift that you can get this year. And for me, it was just that. I was surrounded by my whole family, everyone that I loved, and I couldn't have asked for anything more. And the presents were good icing on the top too. So today we're gonna talk about FabFitFun. I got my winter subscription and I'm so excited to share the items that I got. As you can tell in the intro, I started off with this beautiful cup. This cup is made by Lily, and just look at the craftsmanship on this cup. I mean, it has the gold handle and her famous signature in the inside, and this cup is a beauty, guys. I love it so much. When I saw, because I don't know how they do it when they process the orders, that people get their deliveries, you know, sooner or later than others. I usually get mine later than other people because I always see on the YouTube people uploading their unboxing for FabFitFun. And when I watch, I'm like, oh my God. The first thing I said is that I wanted this cup. And I'm so glad that I got it because this is exactly what I was looking for. I want this to be in my coffee bar. It represents all of my branding colors. And it's just a beautiful piece. And I'm going to put a description below. But this cup is absolutely what I wanted. Now, if I look into the magazine really quick, and everyone say hello to Milo because he always has to make a guest appearance. This is the great part about having the magazine too, because if you're unfamiliar with the products, it gives you detailed information about the products. So this is of course for tea or for coffee, and it's valued at $42. And I got a set of 2 in my box. The next item that I want to talk about are these gorgeous Kate Spade studs. I got crystal and a pearl. They are so beautiful, guys. Look, and it came in this little duster. When I saw this, it's something that I constantly wear. I'm always wearing studs. My ears have been sensitive lately with the big hoops, and I don't want to get any tearing on my ears, so I tend to wear more studs than anything. And these are they're beautiful. It's something I would wear. And these are valued, according to the book, at $68, and they are gold plated. Now the next item I'm going to bring up is called Guardian Angel, and it's from Boutique Beauty. These are vitalizing gel masks, eye gel mask, and they come in these packets, and it comes with the instructions. You put them on your eyes. I do this all the time. I suffer from puffy eyes because I'm always dehydrated, and whenever I know that I'm going to put a lot of makeup on, I always do a deep cleanse, and I moisturize my face, and I put a mask, and I put these eye gel mask on as well, because they leave my skin and my eyes looking brand new, guys. I'm in my 40s, so anything to help with these little fine lines and wrinkles is a plus in my life. I don't know if you can relate to me, but this is always something I always get so freaking excited about when I see it in my box. Next up is the Flight Mode skincare. I've never used this product before, but it's a hydration mask. And if I can break open the box for you here, this is the size of the bottle. So this is definitely something that I'm not familiar with. And like I said, anything that has to do with moisturizing and hydrating my face is always a plus for me. Sorry if you see me looking down, it's only because I'm looking for the product itself so I can tell you the retail price. I can't find it right this very second, but I will have it posted in the video so you'll see it here with all the little information that entails with that. So I'll be definitely adding this to my skincare routine. And guys, I still have stuff from my last season box that I haven't used. So this stuff is like continuously coming in, and I get more and more stuff, and I just get more excited because when something runs out, I normally don't have to restock because then I get something else to try. And those are the benefits of having all of these things. And you can always rate your box as well, because the more input you put into the box, the more FabFitFun knows what to send you, what you like and dislike about the box. You know, you could put a comment there. And the next item up is from Dr. Brandt, and this is a pore purifying cleanse. Like I said, something else I'm going to be adding in to my skincare routine. Now the Dr. Brandt, this is valued at $36. Look at how big this bottle is. This is gonna last me a while, guys. It's gonna last me a while because I always use like a pea size of product on my face because that's all that you really need. So you know this is going to come in handy and it's going to last. And you always have the options to do refills. So if you absolutely cannot live without this after trying it, remember, go into your subscription to your account and make sure that you look out for those refill notifications, because this is something, one of my favorite brands, Dr. Brandt. That's something you guys are gonna like. And then they send you 3 customizable, well, surprise add-ons. And the first one is this here, which is called the Blemish pack. And it's from Paradox Los Angeles. It's such a pretty little, there you go. Iridescent. Come on now. Iridescent. I think I need some wine to go with that tea that I was pretending to drink earlier. But look at how pretty. I haven't opened the package yet. I've never used a Blemish patch before. And it says there's 40 patches. So I'm assuming that if you had a pimple or something on your face and you put one of these patches on, if you have a little blemish there, and it should help you with the blemish. I don't get a lot of blemishes on my face, but when I do, now I know I have something to go to see how quickly it diminishes that. And something else they selected for me as a surprise. This is a custom item. It is Aesthetics Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not a big eyeliner wearer for the simple fact that my eyes are small as they are. And when I put eyeliner, my eyes look even smaller. And I like the appearance of bigger and wider eyes. But I do like to wear it occasionally when I'm in a black dress, you know, and very simple makeup and what I want my eyes to pop. Definitely this. So the liquid eyeliners are always my favorite. To me, they last longer. You have a better control of the strokes. And I'm horrible I guess that's why I'm not a big eyeliner lover, because I suck when it comes to putting that fine thin line and then the thick line towards the end. But see, it's a little, yeah, it doesn't bend, so you should be able to have control when applying this on your eyelids. All right, so I got new eyeliner, and then the final item that I received is the daily facial, and this is from Daily Concepts. So it has the vegan sign, of course, and it's a exfoliating brush. So I do love dry scrubbing. Whenever I have the chance to do it, the first thing I do before I take a shower is dry scrub. I do it like once every 2-3 months. I don't do it very often because I have dry skin as it is, so I don't like irritating my skin like that. I gotta break these boxes because they're gonna go anyway. But just to show you how the brush looks on the inside, look at how soft. Oh, good. I think I seen the other unboxing video where they were testing this out and they said it was soft, and they're right, it is soft. So this would be a pleasure to do some dry brushing on my face without it being too harsh. So if you haven't gotten your FabFitFun box yet, you can easily subscribe for the seasonal package. It is only $49.99, of course, plus tax. And then you also have the option of getting the annual package as well. You do get more goodies with the annual package. You only pay one time versus me that I pay every season the $49.99, which totals to the same thing. So if you want more goodies and you want to take advantage of every perk that they have, because you can also select some of the items when they give you that little window of opportunity. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you want to get your very own box, I am giving you one with a 10% discount. So all you have to do is click the link below, and every month, well, not every month, but every season when you get your box, we could text each other. You could tell me what you got and I can let you see what I got, because it's always different. Unfortunately, I didn't get the cozy blanket or the cozy slippers, but I have so many of those already. So I'm happy with my box. It is to my expectations, and I cannot complain. I've been a member for so long already, so even when I do get a little disappointed, I have so much value in the things that they give me that it makes up for it. So thank you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can place it in the comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that is what keeps me going. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you. I love each and every one of you. And if you want to continue supporting me, go to my website. It's www.howtowithillusions.org. I do have an affiliate store. I have a blog that everyone can relate to. And I have all my videos posted there. And if you want to go ahead and do like a co-host, or we can do a partnership together for Valentine's, hit me up. I would love to partner up with somebody and share your content, and then you can share mine. I love you guys. If I don't see you, Happy New Year. Who's got their box today, Milo? Did you get your box today? Or did Mom get her box today? I got my box today. Yay! Say bye. Say bye-bye.